air quality app for you where you can just download it. It will be uploaded on Android today, and then we have a portal already uploaded where you can see your AQI wherever you're traveling, wherever you are, wherever you live, and around the year you can see the air quality index of Lahore, of the place that you live, and across Punjab. Now we have air quality data from across Punjab. If you're traveling to Gujranwala, you can see the air quality index of Gujranwala. If you're traveling to DG Khan, you can see the air quality index of DG Khan. So now so I'll just go through a story what happened in a year and a half after assuming office. Our Chief Minister, Ms. Mariam Nawaz Sharif, told that you have to take care of smog. Because smog is something which, of course, Lahoris are confronted with, other than the good cuisine that we have, but you can't go out to have good cuisine in winters because of the smog season. So that's why this responsibility was given to me as the Climate Change and Environment Minister in Punjab. Smog is a multi-sectoral challenge. So it is an industrial challenge, it's an agriculture challenge, it's an AQI challenge, it's a vehicular transport challenge, it's a health issue. It's an education issue as well, because the awareness that we have of these things is very limited. So the need was to include this into our curriculum so that we all know how we can contribute in eradicating a menace like smog. तो सबसे पहले तो जब मैंने ऑफिस संभाला तो मुझे चीफ मिनिस्टर ने कहा कि आपने सिर्फ स्मॉग पे काम करना है और स्मॉग को कम करना है. So we sat together in planning and development. I hold that portfolio also. Transport contributes about 40% to your air quality index that we have. Industry is another area, energy, agriculture. Then we have other pollutants that contributes. Then this is how the contributors are contributing to your AQI. The situation was that when we started off working, we did not have any multi-sectoral lens to the issue. Only management was taken care of by Environmental Protection Agency that used to just issue advisories that today hotels are closed, today हमने road बंद कर दी, lockdowns हो गए, universities बंद कर दी हैं, schools बंद कर दी हैं. तो वो सारे management reactionary steps थे. कोई चीज़ रिस्पॉन्सिव स्टेप्स में नहीं थी, मल्टी सेक्टोरल नहीं थी, मल्टी सेक्टोरल लेंस नहीं था. तो हमने प्लानिंग के अंदर सबसे पहले स्मॉग सेल बनाया, और प्लानिंग में इसलिए बनाया कि प्लानिंग मिनिस्ट्री जो है वो तमाम डिपार्टमेंट्स को देखती है अंडर द एनुअल डेवलपमेंट प्रोग्राम, और वो एक न्यूक्लियस बना for this multi-sectoral lens to the entire environment, AQI, and the smog that we were dealing with. The IQ Air was the only app that we, the citizens of Lahore, used to use for checking out the smog levels or the AQI levels during the smog season. But now we have our own Punjab AQI app and Punjab AQI portal, which is integrated with all the 41 air monitors that we have across Punjab now. So we get the data not just for Lahore, but also from across Punjab of all the AQI in our integrated dashboard, monitors center, and also in these apps. And these are also integrated with all international websites that we used to work for. Thermal cameras are being used to monitor the smoke from the industrial chimneys. Drone surveillance we are doing. All the multi-sectoral squads are equipment with technology, with all the gadgets that the modern world has used for eradicating the bad air quality. This is the pillars of our approach that we adopted in planning the smog cell, and then of course the environment. I would also like to introduce, because whatever I'm telling you and narrating here and sharing with you, we have a complete system in the background that works, the complete team that works for you and for your cleaner air. Our team has really worked hard day and night, and that is why this was possible to have all this technology available to Punjab. Then we have a very, very vigilant Chief Minister who takes everything heads on, and she believes in results, only results. And this is why with this leadership and with this team, we are able to deliver what we have delivered in less than a year. So this is technological intervention that I've just shared with you. Now we all have this complete end-to-end regime with us in terms of technology. to confront and to have data. We did not have any indigenous data to work around and to plan and to make decisions. But now we do have all that. Enforcement actions, I've shown you all the multi-sectoral squads that we have and the enforcement and the monitoring that is taking place. Then we have, of course, awareness of all the stakeholders. We have carbon credit program, we have green school program, we have engagements with the stakeholders, because a massive campaign of Say No to Plastic Bag is running for the first time in Punjab with all the stakeholders. So lots of engagement is going on there. Collaborations we have with different international agencies, international experts, international universities, and of course our Punjab Safe City Authority that Shahbaz Sharif sir, when he was the Chief Minister, made Lahore a smart city with all cameras, so it is integrated with that. All our vehicular pollution is now monitored through thermal cameras and through Safe City as well. Then we have, of course, carbon sink programs. As I was telling you, we have a carbon credit program. We have plantation drive where you can trade off what we call carbon trade-offs. So that is a very extensive program also. Smog War Room, this is just a glimpse of how we monitor data that is coming from all the monitors that we have across Punjab. It is coming to a centralized monitoring smog war, which also has a media war room, also has the technical war room and data war room. So wherever now, because of our extensive monitoring system, we can forecast. We can tell you that for the entire next month, what will be the AQI of Lahore and of different districts of Punjab. We have, of course, digital data analysis. We have analysis of the field formations. We have analysis of the remote surveillance that we do, and then digital and electronic oversight, of course, as I told you, which is very important these days because of the fake news and false information that we are confronted with every day, every second. For the first time in Environmental Protection Force, 45% of our Environmental Protection Force is now women. For the first time, the industry chimney has an environmental control system which has made mandatory for them to install it, and the data with these cameras come to our central control system. If any chimney that is registered, that is mapped and QR coded, if that emits black smoke, so there is something wrong in the plant or something is going wrong. So it comes to our central database. It has the AI analysis of smoke capacity. When we map the industry, we have all the details, the owner detail, the plant detail, the people working there. So it's all profiled. Fog cannons, very famous these days in Lahore. You can see that as well. लेकिन एक बात मैं आपको बताऊं कि fog cannon is a remedy. It is a localized action. Where you see high AQI, you send your fog cannons, and it's like a rain of 3.8 or 4 mm की range जिस तरह होती है, उस तरह ये fog cannons उस वक्त काम करते हैं. These air cannons जो हैं वो वही वाला almost काम करते हैं जो आप एक artificial rain के साथ कराते हैं. इस वक्त पिछले 2 हफ्ते से जो लोकल गवर्नमेंट है वो अपने स्प्रिंकलर्स के साथ पूरी कंस्ट्रक्शन साइट्स पे स्प्रिंकल कर रही है. वासा अपनी गाड़ियों के साथ स्प्रिंकल कर रहा है. उनका एक डैशबोर्ड है, हर दिन वो अपलोड होता है कि आज कहाँ हुआ, उसकी AQI के साथ हम उसका एनालिसिस करते हैं. प्रोग्राम है, Connect College can also participate in this internship program है where we give a stipend and they work for the environmental protection for about 3 months, 6 months, different इसके अंदर categories हैं. Then of course meetings with stakeholders जिनको engage करना होता है, उनके साथ काम होता है. फिर kids के साथ काम है, carbon sinks program, carbon credit program, tree plantation, ये different programs हैं जिसमें आप participate कर सकते हैं for awareness raising. ये सब वो है जो government कर रही है.